Welcome back. Today, contemplating to trespass, steep descents and hill climbs, and an Oregon State Park with free admission year-round. Now, on John's Northwest Adventures. This is White River Falls State Park, roughly 35 miles south of the Dalles, Oregon. Reaching this location will require traveling along Highway 197 and then turning off onto 216. Park access is open between March and October. No fees are necessary to enjoy the scenery that this park provides. This place is also nicknamed as Oregon's mini Niagara Falls. White River Falls was given its name because of the persistent glacial sediment that runs through this area. The silt often providing a yellow to brownish tone to the water. All this water comes crashing down at a height of 90 feet. Trekking a little bit more than a quarter of a mile will bring you down 140 feet. It's a steep descent. One of the more popular aspects of this park is the old decrepit power plant that's down below. This is one of Oregon's first hydroelectric power plants. Constructed in 1901 to provide power to Sherman and Wasco counties. This hydroelectric plant would be taken out of service in 1963, after more modernized hydroelectric solutions were constructed on the Columbia River. An avenue of caution to be mindful of. White River Falls has the highest rate of fatalities for Oregon state parks, and all of them are drowning related. There's an estimate of 1 death for every 100,000 visitors that come to this place. A quarter-mile further into this park is the smaller Celestial Falls, with a 44-foot drop. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to keep up to date with the latest adventures I go on, be sure to click subscribe.